So this is Dr. Gerard at Lakewood's Chiropractic in Forest Lake, Minnesota, and I want to talk about today, and I want to be transparent today and reveal who represents or what represents the toughest type of patient inside our office. Who's the toughest? Who's the worst? Everybody always wants to be the number one at something, right? Well, it would be interesting for you to find out who the most challenging patient inside our office is. It's not even necessarily someone who comes in who's in incredible pain or on multiple medications or been through all doctors. Sometimes they're some of our best patients because they're just ready to just find a solution to their problem. The hardest type of person actually inside our office is someone who thinks they're fine, thinks they feel fine, but they're really not inside. And the reason why they're so challenging is because they don't feel it, so they think there's nothing wrong. You know, in society, we've been conditioned to believe that if you don't have any symptoms, everything's okay. But we all know someone who's had heart disease that looked fine, you know, days, weeks, months earlier. In fact, my dad had a heart attack, had a heart check with his heart doctor just 2 weeks earlier, stating that everything's great. My dad has a massive heart attack 2 weeks later. 90% of the blood flow in and through his heart was being blocked. They didn't even know it in the testing. You know, we all know someone who's had strokes, diabetes, cancer, etc., and has felt fine. So when someone comes inside our office and we uncover something, it's a challenging position for us because they're looking to look at me and go, hey, listen, I don't even feel it. What are you making it up? Or is it, where'd this come from? But remember, when it comes to the spine, think about the number of times through the years you and I have damaged our spine. Think about when we were kids, how many times we fell. Think of how many times now in today's society that we sit on a phone, how many hours a week and in front of a computer, and how many times we lift things, and how many times we've had slips on the ice and on three-wheelers, four-wheelers, bikes, snowmobiles, and everything in between. All of those things cumulatively add up, and your body's amazing at covering it up, but sometimes it doesn't, and sometimes you don't know. So maybe you're sitting out there right now and you have symptoms and you're looking for answers, and you might have headaches or sciatic problems or carpal tunnel or numbness in your hands, and so that's really easy, but maybe you're sitting out there right now and you generally don't. Getting a wellness check is as smart as getting out of pain, because nothing is better than being proactive than reactive. This is Dr. Gerard at Lakewood's Chiropractic in Forest Lake, Minnesota. We'll see you soon.